The Goflame 5-piece dining room set. In this video, I'm just gonna do a quick overview of what you get and then what it looks like when it is a finished product. I also walk through the assembly process just briefly, but it's very, very easy. I was pretty pleased when I opened it up. So as you can see here, the table is pretty much already put together for you. You just have the 4 legs you gotta attach. The chairs are halfway there. So all you need to do is just put those together. And then here's gonna be all your seat covers. So everything looks like it's gonna be pretty quick to do, but I'm gonna start with the table and then we'll go from there. Okay, now we got the table assembled, and just to see what it is, super easy. All you gotta do is put 2 screws in there and get on each leg, and they do supply you with the screws and the outlet wrench to do this. So overall, this part took me maybe 10 minutes, probably even less. And now as for the 4 chairs, they're very easy too. I already got 3 of them put together, but these are just gonna link up. So just gonna slide those in together, and then just make sure on the back here, they'll tell you, just make sure your right and left side are lined up and these 2 holes are touching. And then as for the seats, super, super simple. So you can see there, you got 4 holes. So you just put your seat on there, drill it down with those 4 screws. Same thing with this. And then this will be the support that goes on the bottom. So it'll be under there, just like that. So very, very easy. You should be able to get each chair together about 10 minutes each or less, kind of depends how fast you're working. And here's what that finished product looks like. So it took me a little over an hour to get everything together. If you have somebody helping you, it's gonna make it a lot quicker. It was easy, but put like the 4 chairs together took a little bit of time. But overall, super happy with the look of this. I just need something simple for in my kitchen. This was affordable, very, very easy to put together. Looks good sitting underneath my light. So it's not like super huge, but I knew that going in, and my kitchen isn't very big either. So I kind of wanted some space to put some other things in next. So this is gonna work well. 4 people could definitely sit at it, no problem. So very happy with this. The other thing I will say is it is wood on the bottom of the legs of everything, and there was no furniture pads, which is no big deal. I already had some and they're pretty cheap anyway. But if you are gonna put it straight on wood, like myself, if you don't have a rug under there, I would pick up some furniture pads. But overall, looks just like the pictures, easy to put together, affordable. I give it 2 thumbs up.